whatever. And we're just gonna talk about ourselves. We're gonna just introduce ourselves. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Rachel.
And I'm Fiona.
And my favorite color is pink.
My favorite color is green. My favorite color is blue, like my shirt.
And I'm 10.
And I'm 9.
And I'm 7.
And I'm in
4th grade.
And I'm in 3rd grade. 2nd grade.
And the producer is in 5th grade, and her favorite color is purple.
And she is 10 years old.
And today, yes, she's about to turn 11, July 11th. And today was the last day of school, so let's round of applause. Woo! And today, we'll just talk about ourselves. And if you did that, I'll go to your house and beat you up.
Just kidding.
Yeah, and so yeah, we're in Andrea's house right now. This is from her patio, and we'll probably make a video every week or so, or like whenever we see each other, we'll make a video, right? We'll make a video.
I guess.
Yeah, and I'm wearing school uniform. That's why I don't think I'm ugly. I'm just playing, but
Ooh, refrigerator water.
And today we will just look at the birds also, and we have a toe.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. And
You know what?
we're just putting videos, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And you can tell your friends, you can tell your enemies, you can tell hobos, you can tell your friends, you can tell your family, so everyone, the whole world. Don't be shy. And no dislike for come to your house and beat you up.
She's just kidding.
I'm just kidding. And so just don't forget to subscribe up there, comment below, like below.